Hello friends, welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use the built-in antivirus that comes with Google Chrome. So Google Chrome is a web browser built by Google. So this antivirus is built in. You don't have to download an antivirus. All you have to do is just locate this antivirus by going here where it says customize and control Google Chrome. You click on that one, it opens. Then you go to the bottom, you click here which says settings. It will open this window. So it opens this window. Once it opens this window, navigate to the bottom. Navigate to the bottom. Once you reach at the bottom, you see something that says advanced. Click there. Keep on navigating to the bottom until you reach the far end, where you will see this part which says clean up computer. So clean up computer, when you click this clean up computer, you find a button which says find. That button, once clicked, will start scanning your computer. Will scan your computer for less than 10 minutes. For less than 10 minutes only. So when it's done scanning your computer, no viruses are found, then it will produce this result after scanning for less than 10 minutes. Okay, so this is the result. Let me click on it. You see. Okay, so here you find this button. This is the button I'm talking about. You click this button, you click, it will start searching. It's checking there, cleaning up your computer. So you see, you don't have to download an antivirus. You end up downloading something that is harmful, thinking maybe it's an antivirus, but it's not. Okay, so you don't have to stress. All you have to do is just download Google Chrome, the web browser. It comes with an inbuilt antivirus. Okay, so this antivirus is checking for my computer, cleaning up. So after 10 minutes, then it will give me a report saying no harmful malware was found. Okay, all right, thank you for watching this video. Bye.